Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see the remaining exercises of pronoun lesson, that is from page number 38. Okay, you have to see one more video I have sent of the relative pronoun before this. See that properly and then go to the exercise D. Relative pronoun is what? Relative pronouns, they are also the pronouns which are relating information about a previous noun. So let's see the exercise D. And which are the relative pronoun? Most of commonly used relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, that. Okay, who refers to always, it is used for to always, relating the information of a noun, that is subject, which is stand as a subject position. Okay, it is about a people or pet. Then again which, it is used for the things. Okay, that is used for both people and things. So keep in mind and let's see the exercise D. This is the bag dash I bought at crafts exhibition. You have to choose only 4 pronouns, relative pronouns, which is given. Relative pronouns that relating the information, means giving extra information. Say this is the bag that I bought at the crafts exhibition. When you are choosing about a relative pronoun, you look to the second part of the sentence, that I bought at the crafts exhibition. This gives information about bag. Is it? So bag is a thing. For that you can use that or which. Or actually here which is not mentioned, so we are using that. Then Shail is a girl won the first prize in the karate competition. Relating information, giving extra information about girl. So girl is a human being, people, person. So we are using who relative pronoun. That is the lady garden has the most beautiful flowers. That is the lady whose garden. Here whose is used as a possessive relative pronoun. Whose garden. All is well that ends well. Is this the restaurant that is famous for basundi? Is there any restaurant which is famous for the basundi restaurant thing? So here that is used. Remaining 3 you try yourself today, and I will send you the notes, the answer key. You have to cross check. First of all, it's not that from answer key you are going to copy as it is. No, you have to solve, try yourself and cross check. For your cross checking, ask your parents to cross check and try change. If you think it is the wrong and correct, whatever, you can make change. Now see the relative pronouns. Here next information, match the following. See all this information I have covered in very well in the video, which I think it is nearly 15 minutes. So today I am sending first that video which gives us basic information about relative pronoun. Then see this which gives us information of the exercises. See match the following. Here see the exercise, match the following. Exercise E on the page number 39. One part of the sentence given here and other part is given here. So you have to join. This is the book that we use in geography class. It like this way. While check the meaning and accordingly. The camera. Okay. The camera that was stolen belonged to Sadia. Then the person who is, if person, then definitely who will come. The person who is driving the car is its owner. Pamela gave me a reply that I never expected. This is my friend Sia, whose mother is a doctor. This is a farm that my grandfather sold last year. This is a portrait of Srinivas Ramanujan, who was a mathematician. This is a book by Louis May Alcott, who was famous novelist. So in this way you have to write the part and write down the numbers of the B column. Okay, now see the exercise. Now exercise F. Make complete sentences with these groups of words. Use whom, who, that, whose. These 4 words you have to use and connect these 2 sentences. Now see the sentences. If you see, the sentence is not given whole. Okay, the part of the sentence given, they said us to make the sentence and use these words also. So according to meaning we are going to do. Pranay, the boy, won the race. Now here information given about the Pranay. He is a boy, then won the race. These 2 parts are there. So how we are using? Pranay is the boy who won the race. Now next. Meet, Ganpat, then slash means we are going to remove. This is one part. Okay, this is second part. I met and book club. 3 things are Ganpat and I met, and where it is book club. Meet Ganpat, whom I met at the book club. Do you know Pranjal, mother scientist? Means Pranjal's mother is scientist. Do you know Pranjal, whose mother is scientist? Now here is, these words we are taking. You can choose yourself for to make the sentence. Sesimeter, instrument. The sesimeter is an instrument that records the details of earthquake. So in this way you have to solve. See, from each and every exercise you have to try at least 2 to 3 examples. I am giving as homework. If I give all examples, all answers, it is just like the spoon feeding, and grammar is not part of the spoon feeding. You should try yourself. Like the maths, if you solve, you can you feel the maths is easy. Same thing, if you solve the example, then only you are going to feel that grammar is very simple one. Okay, so solve it, and you have to cross check also afterwards. Fill in the blanks with relative pronoun. Now here directly we have to fill with. For person we are using who, for things we are using that, for people also we are using that. Keep in mind. See, woman dash invented radium. Woman who invented radium. Okay, it is about woman, people, person, human being. So who? Invention that J.L. Baird made. Indian whose autobiography is called Wings of Fire. Now here information is about autobiography. So here for possessive pronoun we are going to take, that is whose. Freedom fighter who was called Frontier Gandhi. Okay. World famous Indian monument, it is about a monument thing which was built by king in the memory of his queen. Famous American boxer. Now here possession is given. Whose daughter is also a boxer. Indian cricket captain whose son became a film actor. Country which is called the land of rising sun. So in this way, try to choose, see the before noun, that next clause is giving information about which word, think that it is a place, it is a thing, it is a noun for the people, person, and choose according to that the relative pronoun and fill it, and try to yourself fill and cross check with the answer key. Now see the exercise I. Define these terms using suitable relative pronoun. Now here you are going to define yourself. See, an inventor is one who creates new things. Now telescope. Telescope is what? Thing. Is it? So telescope is a device that, we are using here relative pronoun, that allows us to see distant object. An architect, it is a person. Architect is person. So here we are using who. Architect is one who designs buildings. An astronomer, again person, so is one who studies the stars. The camel, this is the animal. Okay, so you can use for the animal, pets, that also. A camel is the animal that is called the sheep of deserts. So remaining 4 you are going to solve yourself. Try it and write down from the answer key also. Thank you. Remaining part tomorrow we are going to, afterwards we are going to see on Monday. Pronouns or determiners.